to blind. Before you conquer this world, try to blind. The last thing they wanna see is us unwrapping our genius. Who could stop us if we believe in us? Copping the property and expanding it properly. Taking everything back that they said was not for me. Waited long enough, it's people, places we got to see. My brother, you might get a cold shoulder, but not from me. I know it's hard. See, I got a plan, I'm about to put in action. The money we been losing, bring it back in. Me seeing the wealth circulating among us gon' bring me satisfaction. We been down since forever, this how it has to happen. Let me know, I know you know what's up. Walk up in my neighborhood and build it up. Going past the spot the selling was. The sky is the limit. Before I let them keep us down, I'ma buy it and flip it for real. Yeah, I won't let them keep us down. I can't help but think about how I wanna help us out, yeah. Different ways to run a town, I'ma build it from the ground. Let the money spread around, yeah. They ain't wanna hear us out, so we took a different route. I'm just tryna make you proud, yeah. If I got to scream it loud, I'ma do it, I'ma shout till they know what I'm about, yeah.